Hello everyone and welcome to this course. In this course, we are going to be talking about web technologies, and it's similar like a web developer bootcamp. In this particular web technology, we are trying to cover all the subjects that are in SPPU syllabus as a web technology subject. Okay, so this course, or you can say this bootcamp, is really help you if you are trying to become a web developer or you want to explore many such things in web development. Okay, so before we started out, let me clear up one particular thing. By the name of web technology, it doesn't mean that it just cover a basic things. It also covers some advanced stuffs as well. As you go with SPPU syllabus, you will realize that there are a couple of languages are actually present inside this web technology subject. And you know what? The syllabus are totally advanced level. So in some cases, teachers are not able to teach you just because they learn something different. And right now, they are teaching something different. And obviously, teachers need some time to understand those things. By for the academic purpose, they can't be able to get a time to just understanding those things. And that's why I'm here to help you to figure out this particular subject. Okay, it doesn't, I'm not saying that your teachers are not useful or anything. Your teachers are great, but the responsibility from teacher side is academics, and that's why they are not getting particular time to get the understanding of new technologies and teach you a better way. But I'm here to help you with this out, and web technology subject is really good, and I'm sure that this course will teach you everything which you need about the web technology. It covers all the practical materials, it covers all the things which is in your syllabus, and you will get all the fresh content as in this particular course. Okay, and here not I'm not just one taking to the next level, but I have some friends so that I can make this course even bigger, even better. And you will realize that this course is totally a massive. Okay, so before you started this course, let me tell you some prerequisite. Okay, you don't need to understand all these things, like you don't need HTML and CSS, this kind of stuff. I will teach you everything, but you need just a computer or a laptop with active internet connection. Web technology subject is moreover a internet connection subject, so that you need to perform some operations on the internet, because you are using your browser, your code editor, so that you are combining it. So you need an internet connection for that. So please make sure that you have active internet connection. Okay, I'm not saying that you need a Wi-Fi or a heavy data. Don't need it. It's just 100 MB per day, that's enough for you. Trust me, that's enough for you, because I'm using a web development. I have Wi-Fi, but yeah, I realize that the 100 MB is more than enough for learning a web development world. Okay, it's just for a web development, not talking about YouTube videos. Okay, so I hope you got the point. So what you need is just a machine where you can write a code. A machine needs not needs to be just gigantic, like 8 GB, 16 GB of RAM, and then graphic card and all that. You don't need that kind of machine. You just need a basic machine that can work as a code editor, and that's pretty much it. Okay, I hope you got the point, and let's jump into the web technology world. This is course for web technology, but I'm also sure that I'm putting a lot more effort to create another subject tutorials for you, and let's hope that I will make it very soon for you. But now enjoy this web technology subject. Okay, let's get started. Let's see you in the next.